If you think the golden age of motorhomes is behind us, think again. What if I told you that the future of off-grid luxury exploration just rolled out of Italy with diesel torque, AI-assisted mobility, and a chassis that can eat terrain for breakfast? This isn't science fiction. It's the 2026 IVECO Gredia, and it might just be the most revolutionary motorhome of the decade. Welcome back to the channel where passion meets performance, and innovation drives the conversation. Today, we're diving into something that's more than just a home on wheels. It's a statement of engineering ambition. The 2026 IVECO Gredia isn't content with keeping up. It's here to redefine what a high-performance expedition motorhome can be. Let's start with the bones. The Gredia is built on IVECO's proven daily 4x4 chassis, but that's just the beginning. This isn't a retrofit. It's a ground-up reimagining of mobile living. Engineered with military-grade suspension, locking differentials, and a powertrain that shrugs off mountain passes like they're speed bumps. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter turbo diesel inline-4 pumping out 210 horsepower and 370 lb-ft of torque, tuned for long-haul resilience and off-road grunt. It's paired to an 8-speed Himatic automatic transmission that's buttery smooth on the highway, yet decisive when clawing through unpaved wilderness. But the Gredia isn't just about mechanical prowess. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more boutique hotel than backcountry base camp. Real walnut finishes, brushed metal accents, ambient LED lighting, and a modular interior layout that transforms faster than your favorite Swiss Army knife. IVECO didn't just throw in a bed and kitchenette. They've engineered a multi-zone living experience. Think dual induction cooktops, a concealed workstation with satellite connectivity, an adjustable lounge that converts into a cinema-grade media space, and a climate-controlled wet bath with an actual rainfall shower. Yes, in a motorhome. What's even more impressive is how seamlessly it integrates tech. The Gredia's onboard brain is a fully connected smart grid system, managing energy, water, waste, and navigation with an AI interface that learns your routines. Solar panels on the roof feed into a lithium-ion battery bank with over 16 kilowatt-hours of storage, giving you days of autonomy even off the grid. And get this, the Gredia features active suspension damping based on terrain recognition. It literally scans the road ahead and adjusts ride dynamics in real time. That's not RV tech. That's hypercar tech. Safety hasn't taken a backseat either. Advanced driver aids include adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras with object detection, lane centering, and even a drone-based rear escort system that can scout routes and obstacles ahead, controlled right from the dashboard display. And while all this sounds like something reserved for explorers with six-figure gear budgets, IVECO is making a bold statement on value. The Gredia's starting price undercuts much of the competition without compromising on spec. This isn't luxury for luxury's sake. It's functional, forward-thinking travel for the modern adventurer. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, the 2026 Gredia dares to ask, why settle for a cabin in the woods when your cabin is the road? If this video got your imagination firing, do us a favor. Like the video, share it with your fellow overland addicts, and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. We got more behind-the-scenes access, expert breakdowns, and test drives coming your way. Until next time, stay driven.